Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. Right now onto this respective channel, I am going ahead with the Selenium with Python, right? So hope you all are starting with me about the Selenium. And if not, so yeah, quickly go ahead and check out the playlist for that. So right now we are doing the Selenium with Python. So today some sort of project will be done. I'll be taking up some project that would be related to the Selenium from Python only. Okay, so today's project is based upon we'll be automating up the Google search with the help of the Selenium in Python programming language. Okay, so first of all, I would let you know that if you're not going through my series of Selenium, so here above in the I button I had put up the link for that. Go ahead, check out Selenium and start doing and learning Selenium with me. Okay, so great. So today's project will be about automating the Google search with the help of Selenium, and that's so in the Python only. We are not taking that Selenium in the JavaScript. I'm taking the Selenium in the Python only. Great, hope I am very much first of all clear with that. What is this project about for today, which we are actually here? So today's project is about we know that we open the Google Chrome and there we write out any respective topic, right? And what we get n number of websites for that respective topic, whatever you have written. You take it Python, you take programming, you take coding, whatever you wish out, you take that out. So from there we get n number of topics, n number of things that the websites to visit upon, and you could choose any of your choice. So somewhat same thing you could do with the help of the Selenium as well. So Selenium allows you to automate the Google search as well. So we are going to write out some program here, and as an output into that program, a new window will open for you. Now, a new window will open for you. Okay, and into that, whatever the topic has been written by you, you will be getting up the results, the websites, the material to study for that respective project. I'm so sorry, for that respective topic. Okay, and whenever you are using the Selenium for controlling your Chrome, so it will always be showing that it is controlled. This Chrome is actually controlled by some any other form. Okay. I would not waste too much of time here right in the description and the things. Let's quickly jump upon to the practical and let's see that out. Great. Okay. So here, one second, let me start writing it up from you. Great. So here we have that from Selenium. From Selenium, import, and here goes the WebDriver. DRIVER. So, Selenium is actually, I told you, it is one of the tools which helps you to automate out the things. And WebDriver is one of the Selenium sort of tools. So I would say it is one of the most used Selenium set of tools. So WebDriver allows you to get the access for your Chrome. It allows you to work on different browsers actually. Let's say you have Chrome, you have Mozilla Firefox, you have Windows Explorer, whatever the you are having it out. So WebDriver allows you to use first of all any of the ones. Okay, and WebDriver is mainly responsible for dealing with such type of things. So that's the reason I have imported up here the WebDriver. Okay, hope I am clear with that. Great. Now, before moving forward, I want you all to download out one simple thing here from Google, and that's the Chrome driver. Acha, Chrome driver, that's one of the, I would say that is a exe format file. Okay, which has a written code, which is a type of, you could call, you in simple language you could say that Chrome driver is a simple extension. Okay, so if you are not having that Chrome driver into your device installed not installed, I would say downloaded, then you won't be able to make out this respective project. One more thing, as soon as there are many versions of Chrome driver which keep launching, so that Chrome driver has to be similar to the version of your Chrome. Okay, that Chrome driver, again I would repeat, the Chrome driver has to be similar with the I would say the version of your Chrome. Okay, so right now something is 96 point somewhat is right now running out. So we'll be downloading up the Chrome driver again for that only. Okay. Now what I would do is that I would take you to the Google Chrome and let you know how to download out that respective thing. So here we are onto the Google, and what I need to put up is that I quickly need to put up here the Chrome driver, and here we have the download, and here we have the download. Okay, hit out enter. Yes, so I would just zoom in a little bit so that you're able to see up the website as well very clearly. So one second, just give it some time for zooming in. Great. So this is the very first website. That's absolutely the official one only. HTTPs chromedriver.chromium.org. You click on this one. Okay. So now as soon as you click on this one, so here you must be able to see this out. Here it is written you are having the current releases, right? Whatever the current releases are right now, you are having all of those. So if you're using the Chrome version 96, so please download out this respective Chrome driver. If you're using up the Chrome version 97, so download up this respective Chrome driver. If 95, then use this out. Okay. So that depends. Whatever you are using it out. Fine. Let's say I am using right now as 96. So I will click on this respective one. Okay, see now it has many other things for you as well right here to be actually checked upon. So great. Now for the Linux it is this one, for the Mac it is this one, for the Mac 64 it's again this one, and for the Windows it's Windows 32, it's this one. Okay, click on this respective link, and downside you will be able to see that one of the downloadations have been started. Let me do that out. I clicked on that. Okay, now here downside, see, having a zip format is being downloaded out and it has opened up for me. Now what you need to do is that copy it out from here. Okay, copy this out from here and save it, put it or paste it into that respective folder in which your this file have been saved, in which you're writing up your code. See guys, it's very much compulsory to keep all of the things at one single place. Okay, it's very much compulsory to do that out. So whatever your file name is into which you are writing up this respective program, and whatever is the location for that, make sure that you put the Chrome driver in the same location. Okay, hope I am very much clear with this respective thing to you regarding the Chrome driver. Great. Now I won't waste out a lot of time right here. Let's go and like do up the rest of the coding stuff which is needed up here. I'll be making up a variable, and that variable will actually help me to take the input from the user. Okay. So input underscore user, my variable name. Okay. And here I am going to take up the input from the user. So input, and it would be that enter the I would write enter the string for which you want to search. Okay. Okay, for which you want to perform the search. Now that's looking a little bit more better than before, right? So here I have taken up the input from the user, and I haven't mentioned up any data type in the starting, so it will automatically take that in the string format. And yes, that was only the thing which I wanted as well, right? I wanted to take the input into the string format because it would absolutely contain some alphabets, so that will come under the string format. And if I'm going to specify out a data type, then it will take for that respective like integer or like float or the things like that. But I don't want to do out so respective thing, so in that case I didn't use out any of the data types in the starting. Make sure, yeah, that you as well do out the same thing. Great. After writing up this respective thing, let me hit out enter. Now okay, what I'll be doing here is that whatever let's say downside, I will be using up one of the websites, actually that will be the google.com only, that I want to perform up the search, so I will be using up that right here. Now into that respective case, what we'll be doing is that we'll be whatever the website which will be having, we will be, or a string which will be having, we will be transforming that, we'll be structuring that out. So now whatever I'm going to write it out, it's for that respective thing. So a string is equal to, and here goes is equal to, here I have the above variable which is input underscore user dot, and here I have the replace, and into the bracket I'm going to put it up as, for now I'm put it as blank plus, and I'm gonna put it up as plus right here. Fine. So hope I am clear with this particular thing as well to you that wherever I find up the blank space, I'm replacing that out with a plus sign. Right now, what I am gonna do, I'm gonna, with the help of that WebDriver which I have imported above, I'm gonna assign up the Chrome driver. Okay, so here my variable is b is equal to, here I have the WebDriver driver, the I would say the library or the module, whatever you call it out, which I have imported above. So that's so I am using it up at here. So WebDriver and dot. What sort of browser I am using? I'm using up the Chrome. So I just put that out here. Into the bracket for the Chrome, I as well want out a Chrome driver. So here goes my Chrome driver like this. Fine, now 1 second, let me show you that I already have that out here. So just watch out under this respective folder. Okay, under this respective folder, this is my Chrome driver which I am having it out. So I already installed that, sorry, I already had kept that into the same folder in which I am having up this respective file into which I am writing up the project. Okay, so yeah, that has been done. Now here goes up my for loop. So for I in range, and range is, let's say, 1 only, because right now we are going to enter up one single topic only at that place. Okay, so here I'll be putting up the variable that is result. So result is equal to, then we have the variable which we had made above, which is b, and onto that I have stored up my Chrome driver. So b.get function helps us to retrieve out any sort of thing, and here we are having this. Now what I am going to do is that I'm going to go on to the Google right here first of all. So 1 second, let's open out a new one. Fine, so let's say I just put it up here as Python. Okay, I just okay, well, how come this python.org has opened? 1 second. So just let that quickly open it out. After that, I would let you know what sort of thing I am actually doing it out from here. Let me now go back, and simply I need to put the Python, not python.org. Right here. Now, just check it out above that. What's the link which you are actually having it out? Fine. Just from here, copy up the link from not like this. Copy it from the starting of the HTTPs and up till search question q is equal to. Okay. So, like copy copy it from that respective that respective place from where you don't have your like search automated, or you do not have your respective topic written up. So I would copy this out from here, come back and paste it out at that respective place. Now let me show you that how does that actually looks like and how does that actually works actually here. Fine. So let me go down. So here you have that out. It is https www.google.com search question mark q is equal to, and after this is equal to only you put up your respective topic, whatever you have actually searched for. Okay, so after this plus, I am going to put up that respective variable into which we wanted to perform the search, and that's input underscore user. I need to do out one simple thing. I need to make this as well the same. It's input underscore user. Fine, do that so as well you all. So input underscore user plus, and here goes to start it out. So for starting out we have ampersand start is equal to, okay, and we have plus, and here goes str of I. Okay, now how come I just put out ampersand start here by my wish, but I hadn't done that. So here you already have that ampersand start. Okay, whenever you are searching for any of the things, so there you already have that ampersand start to search that out. Okay, so that's the only thing from where I have taken it out. I haven't put it from my wish. Okay, so now I am gonna close this all of the tabs. Go back to my PyCharm, and yes, this was the length of the code which we needed to write it out, and yes, it's that much super easy as well. So we wrote out a program for automating either Google search with the help of Selenium. Firstly, I would give you a very quick review in this project, and then we'll move forward for the output. So from the Selenium, I imported up the WebDriver. So WebDriver is one of the a suite of tool which we have in the Selenium, and that's used for working out with the different browsers. I wanted to use up the Chrome browser, so that's the reason I just did it out. Fine. Then I made a respective variable, and into that I took up the input from the user, that enter the string for which you want to perform up the search. Then where that I just used input underscore user, so it means that wherever we find up the blank space, replace that using the plus sign. Now in my variable that's b, so into that, with the help of the WebDriver and the browser which is Chrome, I have put it up here the Chrome driver, because I'm using Chrome, so I have put it up Chrome driver. Okay, now it depends on to the different sorts of browsers that you are using it out. Applied up my for loop, and into my result I put out my respective link, that okay, this is the google.com from which I want to perform up the search, and I put up the input user start is equal to an str of I. Fine, this is all sorted. The program has been completed. Let's quickly check out the final output. I do the right click and click on run. Okay. So, okay, yeah, it's asking me to please enter the string for which you want to perform the search. Absolutely, I'm going to do that Python first of all. Okay. Expected 2 arguments. Got this. 1 second. This place has to be removed and comma has to be put it up. Okay. Run it out again. So right here I am having again, let's say it's Python, hit out enter. So see what it's doing, it's opening up a new window for me, and into that respective window only what it is gonna do, it is simply gonna get me out that respective search which I was trying to perform. Okay, the one which I wanted to perform, it's giving me out that. It could take up some sort of time because it takes out. Rather than that, other thing which I was telling you, have a look over that till the time it's getting loaded. So see, onto the very top, I don't know you're able to see or not, but it is written that Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. So it means that yes, our Chrome is being controlled by the automated test software which we just wrote out right now. Right, that the program which we wrote out right now, that was a test program, and through that only our Chrome is being controlled. So now here I have all of the websites, the top websites which we as well have onto your Google Chrome as well. So you have all of those right here. You can now open any one of these and study forward with those respective websites. Okay, I'm going to close this out for now. Let's give it a one more try for the search. I would do once again run. Let's see, I put up here as coding and hit out enter. So okay, now it's again gonna open up that respective new window for me. Why it opens up the new window? Because it has to be controlled by the automated test software. So you already have your Google Chrome. So other than that, it actually opens up a new window for itself, and then it gives us the desired results, whatever we are actually expecting. Okay, so yeah, here you have what is coding. You have many websites, whatever you could refer out. You can actually refer that respective one, whatever you are clear with or whatever you actually want to go ahead with. Fine. So yeah, it takes out some time in loading because it's a new window which is being opened it out. So it takes a sort of time for like doing up the things or for opening up of the things. See, it's time, right? Great. So hope I am very much clear with all of these things regarding that, how you can write up a program for automating up the Google search with the help of the Selenium, and that's so in the Python programming language. Right, so hope you enjoyed out this respective project. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.